Hello friends, welcome to my creative educational channel to watch more interesting videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on face detection, face recognition and verification, such as face detection, face recognition using OpenCV, using Fear library, using DeepFace library. Our latest video, fast face recognition using DeepFace library, very popular, became very and MTCNN face recognition and this part detection from video, from image and from live in face using MTCNN. Then FaceNet, we have seen few videos on FaceNet using face recognition and this thing, and latest videos VGG face library, we have seen face recognition using VGG face library. We have seen few videos on VGG face 2 to VGG face 2, that face recognition and face verification long back ago, and latest we have seen face recognition using VGG face model. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about, today's video is about face detection, face extraction, face recognition, face verification and face analysis is done using MTCNN model. So let us first of all, we'll go through the program code using Streamlit. Today's video is using Streamlit. So this is all about the program code. I use PIL model, FaceNet DeepFace library. Then first one face detection, second one face extraction, next face verification and face recognition, and at the last face analysis. So we will see the interesting creative video with execution. Now I will execute the program. Yes, we will see face detection using webcam also and face detection using image also. So first of all, we will see face detection. We will see using live photo camera face detection. Yes, take photo. Yes, face has been detected. Fine. Now we will take one image. Yes, so we are seen by webcam and we are seen by image. Next part is face extraction. From webcam we will see first. Yes, face has been extracted. Fine. Now we will see by image. Yes, extracted face. Fine. Now we will see face verification. For verification we will take two images of mine. First of all, I will take Sanjay1.jpg and another Sanjay 2.jpg. Yes, both persons are same. I will show you the image. I will show the faces. This was Sanjay 1 and this was Sanjay 2. Now verification has been done successfully. Now recognition, face recognition. We will see by webcam first. Webcam. Okay, please 200 pixels. Okay. We will take face recognition. Yes. Face matches Sanjay Mahajan. Yes. So it has been recognized. Fine. Now we'll take by image. Yes, it has been recognized. Fine. Now the last part is remaining, that is face analysis. For that we will clear the photo. Provided photo and that for face analysis. Yes, provided photo. Okay. Picture of his face. Okay. We will add another photo. No problem. Yes. Fine. So face confidence 93%. So I successfully done with every part of MTCNN, that is face detection, face extraction, face recognition, face verification and face analysis. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on MTCNN and if possible VGG phase 2 and FaceNet. We have seen few videos on FaceNet, interesting and creative videos, and also I will be back with more and more creative videos on Streamlit and if possible then attendance system, my favorite videos, and face recognition using VGG phase 2 in different style, face verification in different style. And so for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel Sanjay Mahajan YouTube on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.